Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove or delete repost on TikTok. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So if you reposted some video you don't want to repost, for example, you watch your For You option in homepage and you reposted a video like this. As you can see at the bottom left corner, you will see that you reposted it. If you want to delete your repost, all you need to do is to click on that one button you reposted, and then on the right side click on the reposted button and then click on the remove repost. So actually this is the first way how you can remove your repost on TikTok. So the second way how you can do this is to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. So here it is. Then you need to wait a little bit, and then in the middle of the screen you will see the list of options, and then the middle one is a repost button, and then you need to open video you don't want to repost. Here it is. And then if you want to delete this, all you need to do is to click on the you reposted button, then repost it and remove repost again. So, and this is the second way how you can remove your repost on TikTok. So, and that's all, and that's how to remove or delete repost on TikTok. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.